Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got some exciting updates to share with you. Firstly, we bid farewell to my trusty Fiat Tipo, which I bought new in 2020. After covering 50,000 kilometers since I first brought it home, it's time to part ways. And guess what? Not a single hiccup along the journey. Thanks to your support and watching my maintenance DIY tutorials. Now, onto my replacement daily, a 2008 Honda Civic 1.6. I am thrilled to introduce this supposedly reliable car. However, being an older model, it's bound to need a bit more TLC. Stay tuned, as we'll be rolling out a series of tutorials featuring this Japanese beauty. From basic maintenance tips to more in-depth repairs, we'll cover it all. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and join us as we navigate through the world of DIY car maintenance with our new old Honda Civic. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.